We are not quite out of Georgia just yet.
Then turn right onto 1st Street.
We're on our way to a little town. We're almost out of Georgia.
Take the next right onto 1st Street, then turn right onto North Street.
Hang on, I need to shut this off a minute. Because I'm taking a little detour, it's gonna bother me and it's gonna pester me to get me right back on the right track. On our way to small town, we're gonna call this small town Georgia. And we're almost to the small town I was aiming for, but something else jumped out on the way. We're gonna start a couple of things, hang on. Check out this cool Georgian home. Look how nice this thing is. Is that a beautiful home or what? That is beautiful. There's an old jail up here. But hang on, here's a cool old church. We're a little bit too far past it. Dang it, there was some nice, really beautiful, yeah, nice windows in the side of it. But anyway, just what a classic older church. Pretty nice. And then you can tell the rest of this was all an addition at a later point. But, you know, that was the main building. Pretty nice. Might actually be able to see the side windows, you know, just the architecture of it, the shape of the windows. So we're gonna pull over here in just a second and check out the jail. And there's a cool little gas station across the street, and we're not even to that next little town yet. Hang on a minute. All right, we'll check that out in a minute. I don't know what it is now, maybe a museum or something. Oh, it's a Chamber of Commerce building, but it was the old jail, I believe. But I just wanted to get a picture of the strangest little things catch my eye. Some things you can tell what they were, even if there's no signage on them. That was an old gas station. Just a tiny little gas station. You can see out front where the pump island was. It had two pumps. I can see the things from here. But what a cool little building. Anyway, I just thought I like that. Okay. And there must be some railroad history in this town too. There's a mural on top there that has it's a choo-choo train. There's a choo-choo train mural above those windows, and then there's another one right here on top of that window. So I don't know, choo-choo train murals on buildings. So this is Crawford, Georgia, and I didn't want to make the video about Crawford, Georgia. But we'll just give it a little quick attention because we'll check out the jail real quick, and then we're getting on to well, I forget now, whatever the next little town that's on my maps. So I don't know if they're open or if we can get to see anything or not. Athens, 18 miles that way. Union Point, 22 miles that way. A nice stone structure nonetheless. Something tells me I doubt they're open. Well, that door was open, and there is a desk in there. But boy, it's a bit of a mess in there. I think I want to go in. Maybe they have an area that's more open to the public, that's museum-like. So there's a handicap access ramp here. I have a feeling this isn't, this might be a bust. I should just maybe delete this out of the video. Yeah, I don't know. Hang on, I'll try. No, I won't. This handicap ramp isn't such, I don't want to, I mean, this obviously is not open to the public. It's not very safe at all. I thought I'd seen a picture online that was it looks like just a vacant hall in there, which you can't see unless maybe I do this. Maybe I'm wrong. I was thinking of something else. That maybe this wasn't an old jail at all. There was some place, and maybe that's what it is in, also in the next town. Anyway, there was a cell in there, and jail cell. We're just gonna call this one the oops. Okay. Maybe we'll catch something on the way out of town. Oh darn, I forgot to turn my maps back on. I think we're going the right way. Alright. Okay,
Take the next left onto Gilmer Street.
No.
Then you will arrive at your destination.
No, we're gonna park right here somewhere. I'm gonna have to shut her off again. Hang on. Let me turn. Let's get parked over here. Maybe part of this would be better if I did an auto tour. Okay. Let me maybe get an overall of this building. This is downtown Lexington.
Take the next left onto Platt Street, then turn left onto Main Street.
And this is the town square. There's a couple of things. I am going to park over here, don't worry. Where are we going to park? Okay. I guess the courthouse.
Take the next left onto Main Street, then turn right onto Gilmer Street.
Oh, maybe it was an old church. I don't think so, though. Looks more... I don't know. See that whole, like, balcony, like out there? Probably old church bells are up there, maybe? I don't know. But it's certainly been modernized with all new windows and stuff in it. What a cool old building with a combination of brickwork and stonework. It's beautiful. But across the street here is a row, you know, a row of old businesses. Well, and current businesses. Looks like a secondhand shop down there. I don't know. There's signs on all the doors. I wonder what they say. I don't know. Private property, do not enter. Because they all look like they have real estate signs in them. And okay, so over here, and actually right down around the corner, is some kind of thrift. No, what's the word I'm looking for? Junk shop. Okay, so let's go around the corner here. Hang on, watch yourself. Wait for this car. Okay. All right. Here's a community cigar shop. Well, this has an old stone facade, and in this building, it's got unique stonework, right? I think I see a saddle in the window, like it was a saddle shop, or it's let's cross the street. Actually, it looks like somebody's residence. They rented that out. I wonder what this whole building used to be. Hey, okay, that's Joe. Uh-oh, somebody's being bad here. Uh-oh, Popo. Oh, that's not a turning lane. See what that person did? Sorry, these are not turning lanes. You can't turn from. Nope, that person was impatient, couldn't wait their turn. They're gonna get a ticket. Okay, that's the place I'm gonna go over to here in a minute anyway. Oh, so check out this building. Sorry for the distraction. Wow. Wonder what it was. You can see what's left of an old chimney inside, or a fireplace. Okay, in the chimney window. I don't know. I like old, you know, things from yesteryear, from days gone by. That's the imagination kind of. I wonder what was here. I bet it was a mechanic shop. I bet this whole front's been, there's probably two big garage doors used to be here. Maybe. And they're just kind of, they've all gone, you know, they've all gone. Oh, nice old Ford truck. Check out this cool little vintage camper. It has there's a for sale sign here that kind of fell down. Needs a door. Needs a little bit of work. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put all these floors in it. We've got a radio. Needs some cushions and stuff. That's for sure. This looks like a good shell. Yeah. So I need some hardware and upholstery work. What kind of stuff? What kind of stuff do they have here? We got some old bicycles. Look. Look how bad this tire. Somebody needs a new tire. Yeah. Somebody needs a new tire. Somebody needs to oil them chains. Maintenance is falling behind on them vehicles. Girl, I didn't mean to look. She said, I didn't mean to look. She's trying to put a smile on, like, yeah, I screwed up. I turned from a no turning zone. Oopsie. Anybody need any used garden tools? And well, so I don't know. I wonder if the place is open. Oh, look, a little Coca-Cola refreshment thingy. Huh. This looks like a sell thing that had maybe a couple cases stacked on it, just like an advertisement thing. Has nothing to do with cooling. It's dummy locked, so I'm not gonna, even though it's not lock, I'm not gonna take that off and enter. I don't think he's open. Oh, what a treasure. What a treasure of stuff in there. Some people see junk, other people see treasure. Which one are you?
Be careful.
I think the sheriff just warned her. He's like handed her back her stuff and said, I don't know, he said something and then be careful and have a good day and stuff or whatever. I think he let her off nice and easy. But she's more careful to ever do that again. This is Jeb's reclaiming store. So ours. There's a. It's none of these. Okay, so we're out of luck. We're out of luck. Alright. Anything else we can see while we're in town? Oh, I can see from way back here there are bells up in the tower. Huh. So I showed you earlier the road businesses up there. This is across the street. There's a few more. I swear every single one of these are empty. And look, the old original hardware. The old original doors and hardware. There sits an empty building. I wonder what used to be here. Even the ceiling fixtures, you know, fancy brass like the doorknob was. Yeah, it just wouldn't take much to, you know, clean the glass and paint her up and put a fresh new business in there. This used to be Lexington Antiques. Look at this, empty. I think we're gonna cross the street and be about done. There are some other interesting buildings around, but we're just hitting the highlights a little bit here today. What's on Main Street? Okay. Yeah. Just closed up. All closed. All right, have you had enough? Have you had enough yet? Oh! Look, that's got a balcony in the back. There's a balcony back there. And upstairs. I'm part of it. I wonder how much this real estate would go for. Hey, there's an old Sears sewing machine. Wait a minute, is that an odometer? There's digits right there. It says 43,210. Is that thing made 43,210 stitches? Is that what that means? Alright, I guess there is some business in here, a little bit of a music store, or maybe they give guitar lessons / music store used. Okay, so there is one business. There's not even glass in this one. It's just boarded up. I don't know what's in here. An old computer, and copier, and oh, there's a bunch of old bikes over there. You know what? Some bicycles, some old classic bicycles are actually very collectible and desirable. Wow, a bunch of old 3-speed models. Remember the old 26-inch wheels with a 3-speed? There's a couple of pretty cool ones in there. And there's like a moped or a, is that a Vespa? Another little 20-inch bike. A Vespa with it was last tagged in 1989. Unsafe. Oh no, this place is not. This place card is not a demolition or. Oh, okay, so it's not going to be demolished. It just says it's unsafe for whatever other reasons. The roof's leaking, broken glass, and maybe occupied by rodents and stuff. Yeah, the place needs some attention. Okay. Needs some repairs, but at least it's not condemned to where it needs demolished. That'd be a shame, probably, because this whole road, probably all these are marked unsafe. In other words, this whole plaza needs a good, healthy going through. I think that just those two, maybe this one too. Oh, this one too. That's a shame. This whole road needs some an investor to come along and make all the necessary repairs and restore and preserve it. There are boards that are in danger. It's a hazard, could fall down and hurt somebody and stuff. This would be a nice little plaza to restore. Oh, an old Coleman lantern. More bicycles. At least one in there hiding. All right, we had enough yet. That one's tinted. Oh, there's an old outboard motor in there. What's left of it? All right, we'll go. I promise. All right. Somebody's saying, I'm getting hungry. I could go to the bathroom. All right, kids, we'll go. Isn't that the way some road trips go? Somebody starts getting bored. Yeah, whiny kids and stuff. I'm hungry. She punched me. Start getting cranky. Start needing a nap and stuff. All right, let's just go. You're both just gonna go home and take a nap. All right, Coachmen's across the street. Nobody's coming. Here in Lexington, Georgia. We're almost out. South Carolina is that way. We'll be there before you know it. That's it, just a little tour guide type video on our exit out of Georgia. The next video, I don't know, well, maybe we'll end this one exiting, or the next one's gonna begin at an odd little landmark just outside of Georgia, just inside South Carolina. That's where the next video is probably gonna start at, in that area. I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.